Hey everyone, Mr. Tess here again. I've got the SIMREX X300C Mini Drone. This is a small kind of handheld drone with a fixed camera, 720p fixed camera that you can do first-person video on. We're going to check this guy out. I'll also do some flight tests later. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe. I appreciate it. But the SIMREX X300C drone is currently $40. There's a $5 coupon option. And oh, get $80 Amazon card if you want. But it can do flips, degree, rotates, optical flow positioning. So these SIMREX drones have a nice little thing to keep them stable. They're good for indoor flights. They can be good for kids to use. Has first-person view video. You can stream it to your phone. As I said, perfect adults, kids, games, stunts, safe design. Has little guardrails, so you don't ding up your walls as much. And you can see the images off to the right there and their video. But you came here to actually see what's in the box. So let's see what's in the box. So inside here, SIMREX X300C, you can see size-wise, pretty small box. QR code to get to the app, and some different information on the back there. Amazon, gravity sensor, altitude hold, 3D flip, real-time video. So let's record here. I want to make sure they know if somebody opened the box. I have opened the box. So inside you will find a 12-month extended warranty option, 24/7 live chat support, a little user manual here, and it says for ages 14 plus. And then here you have a perfect little drone. I mean, look at that thing, like a mosquito. And it even has the fold-out arms. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that. Fold it out like a little wasp. Set that down, and then the camera you can manually set where you want. Little CMOS camera, and here's the underside camera that helps it do image stabilization on the floor. And that's the little antenna for it. Nice. Little guardrails are optional to put on. I would put them on, and I would suggest you put them on so you don't ding up your walls. But hey, that's just me. What else we got in this little bag of goodies? Oh, let's not open that. These are backup blades, and it looks like the USB charger's in there. So we may actually do need to open that. So it gives you a full set of replacement blades, and here's your charger. So a little USB, a little adapter there. I'll put these replacement blades back in here because I don't want to lose them. I might need those. And then down here, we get to, nice, gives you 2 separate batteries. Probably will give you about 20 minutes flight time, I'm guessing, each. And there's the controller. And that's it for the box. I'll put these manuals back in here. And we'll set that aside. So here's the controller. It's interesting that these are flat on the thumbsticks. I'll put it this way so you can see. And they went, and it actually tells you, oh, and there are little buttons. So you've got stop, you've got start, probably a hover, and then this, it might be trim adjustments. This is to do a flip. And then if you want to connect up your phone, and I've got a pretty beefy case on my phone. I have the OtterBox Defender case, and it almost, but does not fit my OtterBox Defender case. So be aware, you might have to take a case off if you have a big chunky case. But that's the controls. On off, oh, it's rechargeable on the controller too. Usually these have been like battery replacements. So this one charger, you got to charge your controller and your drone. But battery installation looks to be pretty straightforward here. Pop her in the back, load it up. I'm going to hold off on the guards for the moment. We're going to set that down here. Let's see if we can turn it on. Oh, no, there we go. So there's a little LED right here. You can kind of see it blinking. I'm going to flip the switch on this. And boom, I didn't even have to do anything. That's the start. Oh, shoot. Don't mind my language. It dropped. So I'm going to do some more test and flight videos, but it's a cool little drone. Let's try it one more time. It's trying to find the altitude adjustments. But it does auto stop itself, and I do probably need to put the guards on. So till we can do some more video, I'll get you back. Hey everyone, so this is the flight video for the SIMREX X300C, which is the handheld drone you've got here. My phone will not fit in this the holder here because it uses the OtterBox Defender case. It's a little thick, but I've already got this connected up. You connect up direct Wi-Fi to here, and then over here I've got my phone on camera, which you can see now. You can see the camera is active on it. So this is direct Wi-Fi connection to here, and then you open up the SIMREX app, and you can see it's connected on the video. And I'm going to stand here with the controller while we flight test. So let's go ahead and give this a go and see what happens. So we're gonna start. So hit the little start button. I'm gonna go here. That way you can see the controller and everything in action. Hit the start, and then up we go. So sound-wise, it sounds like a little wasp. Make sure the microphone's good. But you can see, I can turn it sideways forward. We could go backwards, forward. It does good at holding its location, but there are adjustment features here. So if we let that sit, yeah, looks like it rested. So up, down, all around, rotate it. I like that these are the flat thumbsticks versus the taller ones. Let's go here. Let's see what happens if we try a I don't know what that does. Oh, and let me also record video here. So hit on the app, and now I'm recording video. And you can adjust the camera angle. So I'm going to set this down real quick. You can take the camera and you can adjust if you want it more forward. Well, let's see which camera. More forward or down. I'm going to have it a little more forward. We'll try this again. I'll set that down. I'm going to go to start. And up she goes. Actually, I think even more forward. Come here, little guy. Whoop, whoop. There we go, caught him. All right, let's just do it fully forward on the camera. Back up it goes. And so we are recording video. Oh, video there. Forgive all my mess. So it is a 720p camera. Let's see, we'll go up here. I'm not the best at flying these things. There we go. Come on. Look at me. Hi. Oh boy. Alright, let's see if we can do a trick with it. Easier to fly that way. Alright, so we're going to try. Don't you drift off on me. Over here. I think it doesn't like the mat. It likes to find an area it can. Oh, that's the land. Ah, it did a flip. Okay, you want to watch the flip? I'll do it this way. Ooh, no! Flipped, and then I don't think it likes this mat. We're going to move the mat out of the way. All right, let's try this again. But it does fly pretty easy. Oh, oops, if I face it this way. Alright, camera, go meet camera. Say hello, my little friend. It's a staring contest. And you can see here I will be also doing the same video for the SIMREX X300C. Oh, no, let me go up here. There he is. You see him there. Woo, back. Whoa, no, no. Uh-oh. Where'd you go? Yeah. Got it. And this is why we keep the little guards on it. Back up we go. So we'll see how long this will last on a flight. We can see where we can explore. Now I can try to look at the video there. The 720p video doesn't have a super wide angle to it, but there we go. Yeah. Oh boy. Nope, not the TV. Not the TV! Sorry, had to get out of the way there. No. No, we're crazy! Alright, let's see if any of these other buttons do things. Okay, that one I don't know what it does. Let's see. No, let's do it over here. Oh, now we can tell it to land. Start. Back up we go. I'm not sure what it wants. There you go. But good, hover. Let's go take a look outside. Fun little drone. Nice little mini drone you can fly in the house. Close to the window here. And see ourselves in our reflection here. And so this did come with 2 batteries, so you got plenty of flight time with it. Make people sick at home. Oh, nope. Oh, yep. Oh, and my little arms folded in. So as it said, the little arms here do fold. So if those come out, you can fold them back out. Let's see if we can take off from my hand. Oh, hold on. That's not good. There we go. The little guardrail was trying to get in the way. Okay, back in we go. So what can I tell you about this drone? It's nice, quick, it's easy to fly. Pretty stable on its own, considering the technology that's in it. And we can wave and say hi. No, this way. Let's go look at Mr. Duck. Come here, Mr. Duck. He's up there. Oh, he's over there. Let's get a better angle on him. Oh, no. Who's that? There we go. And go up. There he is. Good long flight time, too. I'll speed up portions of this video. Woo! Oh, 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 stop, stop, stop. So I think we're probably about it on battery. All right, and that's it for the battery. So good long flight time. You can see the video is still recording. We just don't have enough juice. Actually, no, we are out of juice. The video is no longer recording. So we're going to stop that. And I'll come back over here to finish up because that's what we do. So overall, nice little drone. Quick, easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and look forward to more videos. Till next time.